In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate your domain in Flodesk. This is an essential step for ensuring that your email campaigns have maximum deliverability and avoid ending up in your recipient's spam folders. Let's walk through this process together and make it as smooth as possible. First things first, head over to Flodesk's website at www.flodesk.com and log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials handy, as this will give you access to the platform's full range of features. Once logged in, focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Domain Setup. This section is where you'll handle all tasks related to authenticating your domain. Within the domain setup area, look for the domain authentication section. Here you'll find the tools necessary to begin the authentication process. It's crucial to follow these steps accurately to ensure everything links up smoothly. The next thing you need to do is click on the Add a Domain button. This will prompt you to enter the domain name you're planning to authenticate. For instance, if you run a website, this would be that website's domain name. Once you've done this, Flodesk will generate a set of essential DNS records for you. These records usually consist of TXT and possibly CNAME records. These are crucial as they're used for verifying your domain and enabling email authentication. Now here's an important part of the process. You need to have access to your domain's DNS provider where you can make these changes. Some popular DNS providers include GoDaddy, Namecheap, and Google Domains, so ensure you have the login details for whatever provider you use. With the DNS records in hand, log into your DNS provider's platform. You need to navigate to the DNS management page of your account. This is typically where all the settings related to your domain's DNS are stored and can be edited. Now you'll need to add the DNS records exactly as shown by Flodesk. Pay attention to details here because accuracy is key. This usually involves creating new records in the DNS settings section specific to your domain. Once you have carefully followed these steps and added all necessary DNS records, head back to Flodesk. There you will click on Verify Domain to check if the authentication process has been successful. Bear in mind that it might take between 24 to 48 hours for the DNS changes to fully propagate across the internet, so don't worry if it doesn't reflect immediately. And that's it, you've now completed the domain authentication process in Flodesk. With these steps, your email deliverability will be improved and you're all set to start sending out your campaigns successfully. Thank you for watching.